ওকে আমরা এক রুট কভার করছি না জন্য আংটি আংটি কভার করবা তুমি করতে কি দেখবা এর বাদে তুমি ট্রেনে যাইবা এই ওকে ট্রেনে যাইবা তোমার যাও ওকে দেখ যাবে আংটি চলো নো 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 আংটি 3 ঘন্টা আংটি টেস্টার তোমার কইছিল তোমার ট্রেনে দিব কইছিলাম নি তোমার জন্য নি কইছিলাম না কার্ড আছে নি ঠিক এগুলো তো মাত্র ওই বনি দ্যাটস ইট এন্ড অফ স্টোরি Okay, what we have to do, we have to go, okay, next turning right please, right? Tukaya bar korutte, go more forward. Position. And end of the road, you go turn right, please, right? What you're going to do, turn left and immediately right. So left, no, left,
Left. Oh,
yes, it's going there.
okay.
Basically, first stay there. Check,
Left, then?
and turn right. Okay? Safely no.
Okay, right there.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And turn right. Okay? So this is test and test. This is the one route which is Dulkarigway route. Yes, we've been there. It's long, long, long. Yeah? Okay?
That's the one Dulkar is there.
Not this one. We're going toward Dulkarigway.
Okay,
Okay? Alright. So this one is better take it in which gear? More slow then. Yes. Check both sides. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, and then progress time. Okay, clutch is there. Okay, lady, let me explain.
Okay.
Clutch is finished. I'm going to change it. Okay, don't press too much at once. Misfire with it. Buchcho to? Gradual gets you. Okay? Yeah. Too much and it will misfire. Okay? Okay, remember, coming to a roundabout, okay?
Yeah.
Keep going, सीधा जाओ. हर बार left signal दो, roundabout, you left होना है, right होना है, yes? Yeah, left, go, what are you waiting for? Left में मिले कुंभा है, continue करो भाई, yes? Okay, continue. Okay, traffic, এবার সিধা নিলেও Dulkarigway আছে, wrong way. But we're going to go at the very end, Upminster. Yeah, follow Upminster, which is Right. Yes. Tester is right. Okay. Okay.
So that one.
Yes. Yes. Take your time. Relax with clutch. Yes. Yes. Try to use it. Yes. 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 It was bit tight. This situation, okay, once you realize enough to go, but you have to
Fast. আপনি বন্ধ হয়ে গেল কেন?
bring class too quick. Third gear will be helpful. Okay. So. Come this way, yes, or no, the little আছে, yes, left hand lane mine. To go, you have to be on the, why should you be right? Because we are not going left, so we have to change the lane. Okay, and this, if you go this way, also at the end, dual carriageway. Okay? Sometime we will come there to go straight, or sometime we're going to turn right where we're going. Okay?
So we're going straight now.
Madam, we're going straight.
Yeah, so that line for the
When you come there, this is straight. Some examiners say right, then you'll give right signal. How could you come? This is good, okay? We're going, let's say it's right. Go.
Right.
Or straight. Some examiners say straight, some examiners say right.
Is it roundabout or?
Yeah, there was a roundabout. Yeah, you didn't even realize it's a roundabout. Okay? So if you come there, if examiner doesn't say you go come this side, slide right without signal. And if the examiner say right, you go with signal. Clear? Okay? Other side will be left. Okay? Progress. But he didn't realize it's a roundabout. Roundabout go roundabouts, sign marking. Yes?
So the keeper line.
Everything was there, you didn't recognize. It's end of story. Okay? Watch it in your video. There will be small roundabout. It came last week or before, same road. Yeah? Okay, there will be another roundabout. Small roundabout, we're going straight. Yes, you have to give way to the right. Be restricted. Keep going. I'll guide you. Okay, keep going. All right, want to go straight. So slow. Okay, check early. Maybe first gear, maybe second gear. Depend what you see. Yes, decide quickly. Yes, then progress then.
No,
So after left signal,
Okay.
progress, quick progress. This is national what? Speed? Sign. Yeah? National. So what speed? 60. Single one 60, double one 70. Not necessary you can do 60 because half it. Be restricted. Yes? But maximum.
Still he's
turn right. Yeah, green part. Tulkar Gateway, A what? 127. Yes, A12. Okay. So now there, it's not far. So like this, second gear, go over the marking. Okay, your side of the road. Keep going. Halfway. Keep going. Going. And progress. Follow speed sign. Progress. Yeah, follow the bend. Continue. Yeah. Pick up here. I'll guide you. Pick up. Your lane going to finish. Speed up. Signal. Lose signal. Yes. Drive here. Somebody will help you. Keep driving. Keep speeding. Check. Okay. Signal. Speed. No. This is when if you leave it, we continue. Yes. So this is the last turn. Sometime you're going to leave here. Sometime another place. 3 different places to leave the Tulkar Gateway. Clear? Okay.
So 60, yeah?
No. Double lane is 70. Single lane is 60. 70.
This is 70.
Yes. Before was only one lane. 60. Double lane 70.
It's hard to control.
Don't worry. You will control it.
Steady right.
All the time, the steering is a bit tighty. And all right. Sometime going to leave there, second gear. If you join there, should follow the bend, give signal, somebody will help you. Yes? Here people are good.
It is 50 until it's still now.
No, keep going. 50 will see the sign. 50 will come later. Don't worry, you're not going to die. Or maybe you'll die.